Sign up American Express online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sign up American Express online banking account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To sign up on American Express online banking account, first of all, go to americanexpress.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link below. Then tap on the login button. Now of course, if you have already signed up, you can go ahead and log in. But since we want to create a new online account, at the bottom you'll find one option that says create new online account. So you can instead tap on create new online account button. Now from there, on the next page, it will ask you for a couple of other information during this case. So it says welcome, enter your details to set up your new card. So make sure to enter your 15-digit card number, the 4-digit card ID, tap on confirm, then it will ask you for some of the other options there, and once you've done that, you'll be able to register for American Express online banking. This way you can register or set up American Express online banking. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.